Today, you'll learn how to master airport English in real life. No theory, no long sentences. Before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Here we go.
Liam, can I ask you something honest? What's the first airport secret of speaking English that no one tells us?
Airport English is built on reactions, not sentences. That's the secret most learners miss.
Wow, reactions, not sentences?
Exactly. Staff expect short responses, not explanations.
So that's why people freeze.
Yes, they prepare sentences when they should react.
Interesting. Can you give a real example right now?
Agent says, "Passport, please." You say, "Here you go."
Haha, that's so simple.
Simple English sounds confident at airports.
So this is one of the airport secrets of speaking?
Exactly, and there are more like this.
Wow, if someone stays until the end of this video, will they learn them? So they should really stay until the end, right?
Definitely. And if this is already helping you, feel free to like the video and share the channel with someone who travels too.
Then can we start from the beginning? Why do airports make confident people feel lost?
Because airports have their own spoken code.
A spoken code?
Yes, and most learners never train it.
So this code is different from textbook English?
Completely different. It's faster and lighter.
Haha, that explains a lot.
Exactly. Airports reward speed and clarity.
And translation gets in the way.
Yes, translation slows your brain at the worst moment.
Interesting. Even when I know the words?
Especially then.
Wow. Why does my brain still translate?
Because you learned English through text first.
So my brain thinks English is a puzzle.
Exactly. But airports don't give you time to solve puzzles.
Right. And how does this affect confidence?
Translation creates hesitation, and hesitation kills confidence.
I feel that. My voice sounds weak.
Exactly. Confidence comes from flow, not perfection.
So if people keep watching, they'll understand this flow?
Yes, and they'll start reacting naturally.
Interesting. Where does panic usually start at the airport?
At check-in,
Because the agent speaks fast?
yes, and they expect short answers.
Short like what?
One bag. Here you go. Or, that's fine.
Wow, I always prepare long answers.
That's the hidden mistake.
So real airport English isn't formal at all.
Exactly. It's practical and human.
Can you show formal versus natural English?
Formal, I would like to check in for my flight. Natural, hi, I'm checking in.
Interesting. The natural one feels safer.
Safer means calmer, and calmer means confident.
And my brain still wants to be perfect.
Perfection creates silence. Fluency creates communication.
Wow, that's a shift.
And this is only one airport secret.
So if people want the rest of the secrets, what should they do?
Stay until the end, practice with us, and apply it in real life.
And if this already helped them?
Like the video, share it with someone who travels, and support the channel.
What chunks are common at airport security?
Here you are. No problem. And that's fine.
I know those words, but I don't use them.
Because no one trained you to speak them automatically.
So automatic speech is trained, not talent.
Yes, fluency is repetition with meaning.
Interesting. What happens when I overthink my answer?
Your voice drops, you pause, and confidence disappears.
Right. I suddenly sound unsure.
Exactly. The listener feels it immediately.
So, how can I sound confident even with simple English?
Speak shorter. Short answers sound strong and clear.
Can you give me an example at immigration?
Officer asks, "Purpose of visit?" You say, "Tourism."
Wow, that's it?
That's it. No explanation needed unless they ask.
Interesting. I always prepare a whole story.
And that story increases anxiety.
True. What about when I don't understand?
Say, "Sorry," or "Could you repeat that?" naturally.
Not, I'm sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
Exactly. Too long and too heavy.
So, natural English is actually simpler.
Yes, simple English is powerful English.
You see, I feel relief already.
That's your breakthrough starting.
Wow, is this why people say English isn't learned in silence?
Exactly. Silence trains understanding, not response.
So, response is the real skill.
Yes, speaking trains confidence and speed.
Interesting. How do I train this at home?
Simulate airport situations out loud. Speak, don't read.
Even alone?
Especially alone. No pressure, just flow.
Haha, that feels weird but freeing.
Exactly. Your brain learns without fear.
What's the biggest mistake learners make at airports?
Trying to sound smart instead of sounding clear.
Wow, that's so true.
Clear communication always wins.
So, confidence grows when I accept simple English?
Yes, acceptance removes fear.
And fear blocks speech, right?
Exactly. Relaxed brains speak better.
Interesting. I think I'm starting to get it.
That's the shift from student to speaker.
Wow, so this is the first confidence jump?
Yes, and it only grows from here.
That feels motivating, right?
Exactly, and we're just getting started.
Liam, now that I understand this, how do I stay calm when boarding starts?
Focus on familiar chunks. Boarding language is very repetitive.
Really? Even when they speak fast?
Yes, speed doesn't change the structure, only the sound.
Wow, what do they usually say at the gate?
Boarding group 3, final call, or please line up.
And what should I answer?
Most times, nothing. You just act and move.
Haha, I didn't think about that.
Exactly. Silence can be correct too.
Interesting. So silence is also an airport secret?
Yes, knowing when to not speak is part of fluency.
Wow, that changes everything.
Exactly. Airports value action over words.
What if I need help at the gate?
Use direct chunks like "excuse me" or "I have a question."
Not a long explanation?
No. Short opens the conversation naturally.
Wow, I always apologize too much.
Over-apologizing makes you sound insecure.
Right? I say sorry before every sentence.
Exactly. Confidence starts with clarity.
Is this another airport secret?
Yes, confident speakers don't over-explain.
Interesting. What about flight delays? Those stress me a lot.
Delays use simple language like "it's delayed" or "we're waiting."
And if I ask about the delay?
Say "any update" or "do we have a new time?"
Wow, that's much shorter than what I say.
Short questions reduce stress for both sides.
So, airports reward short questions too?
Exactly. That's another secret.
Interesting. What about seat or gate changes?
You'll hear "gate changed" or "seat reassigned."
And how do I react?
Say "okay," "got it," or "thank you."
I always try to confirm everything.
Overconfirming shows insecurity.
Wow, I never noticed that.
Awareness is part of confidence.
What if there's a problem with my ticket?
Say, there's an issue, or I need help.
Not a full story again.
No, the agent will ask questions.
Interesting. So, airport English is about letting the other person lead.
Exactly. That's a big secret.
Wow, I always try to control the conversation.
And that increases pressure.
So, releasing control helps fluency?
Yes, flow happens when you respond, not control.
This feels like a mindset shift.
Exactly. Airport English is mental first.
So, all these secrets are really about confidence, right?
Yes, language is the tool, confidence is the engine.
Wow, I feel calmer just hearing this.
That's your brain learning a new pattern.
And this applies outside airports too?
Absolutely. It changes how you speak everywhere.
Interesting. So, airport English trains real life English.
Exactly. That's why it's so powerful.
Wow, so spoken English has its own logic.
Exactly. It's built for speed and comfort.
How does this help my confidence long term?
Every smooth interaction trains your brain to trust itself.
Trust itself?
Yes, confidence grows when your brain expects success.
Interesting. What about mistakes in real conversations?
Mistakes are normal. Fluency survives mistakes easily.
Really? People don't judge?
They focus on meaning, not grammar.
Wow, that's freeing.
Exactly. Freedom creates flow.
What's a common mistake learners make when trying to sound perfect?
They pause too long choosing words.
Right? I freeze sometimes.
Freezing breaks rhythm and confidence.
So, rhythm is more important than accuracy?
Yes, rhythm keeps communication alive.
Interesting. Can you show an unnatural versus natural example?
Unnatural. I would like to know where the restroom is located. Natural. Where's the restroom?
Wow, the natural one feels alive.
Exactly. It sounds human.
You see, I finally understand this difference.
That's the real breakthrough moment.
It feels like a weight lifted.
That's confidence replacing fear.
How can I practice this daily, not only for travel?
Speak in small moments. Talk to yourself out loud.
About random things?
Yes, daily life trains automatic speech.
Interesting. And at work, how does this help?
You respond faster and sound more professional,
Even with simple words?
especially with simple words.
Wow. So professionalism isn't about complex English.
Exactly. It's about clarity and calm.
Before we finish, can we recap what we learned today?
Of course, let's connect everything.
Did I learn that airport English is based on reactions, not full sentences?
Yes, reacting is faster and more natural.
And is that why translating in my head creates stress?
Exactly. Translation slows your brain and increases fear.
So when I accept short answers, my confidence grows.
Yes, simple English sounds clear and strong.
Did we also learn that silence can be correct sometimes?
We did. Silence is part of fluency.
And trying to sound perfect actually makes me freeze, right?
Right. Perfection creates hesitation.
So flow is more important than perfect grammar?
Much more important.
Is that why airports, meetings, and daily life all reward short responses?
Exactly. Real life values clarity and speed.
Did I shift today from thinking like a student to thinking like a speaker?
Yes, that's the real breakthrough.
And this mindset isn't only for travel, is it?
No, it changes how you communicate everywhere.
So the real value here is confidence, not just English.
Confidence is the engine. English is the tool.
If I keep practicing reactions daily, will fluency grow naturally?
It will. Consistency builds trust in your brain.
So the main lesson is to stop translating, stop chasing perfection, and speak simply.
Exactly. Simple, clear human English.
That already feels lighter, doesn't it?
That's fear leaving and confidence taking its place.
So for now, should I just keep speaking and let English flow?
Yes, one spoken sentence at a time.
Is this why studying in silence doesn't make people fluent?
Exactly. Silence trains understanding, not reaction.
So even if I understand everything, silence keeps me stuck?
Yes, that's the silence trap.
And if this finally makes sense, what should they do next?
Click the next video on this topic.
All right then, see you there.
Bye.